Welcome to Youngblood's RV and Outdoor. And here's a walkthrough of one of our great RVs.
This beautiful park model comes equipped with triple slides, theater seat for two with cup holders, king-size bed, rear living area, bathroom toilet, mirrored wardrobe doors, shower skylight, separate vanity area with sink, mirror, and storage, living area television, hide-a-bed sofa with nightstands, linen cabinet, overhead shelf in bedroom, living room fireplace, decorative wood plank flooring. Master bathroom has a sink, toilet, and shower with a door. Day and night shades, overhead storage, bathroom cabinet with mirror, dual lights over headboard, full walk-in closet, entertainment center, freestanding table with chairs, bathroom shower with a seat, 2 entrances.
Here at Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, we have been a family-owned dealership for 45 years, with 3 locations, new inventory arriving daily, and brands you trust. You can buy from Youngblood's RV and Outdoor knowing that you made the right choice. We stock our campers the way we would want to camp, with features and upgrades to provide your family with the best travel experiences and unforgettable memories. So if you're looking for your next RV, come to Youngblood's RV and Outdoor, where we make the outdoors fun.